Vào một ngày trời xanh ngát xanh, giang tay ôm lấy em vào lòng anh.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Eh, ano naman ginagawa nito? Bakit ako sa ano? Sa niya?
Artlist.io.
Sometimes life can be so cruel, keeps on reminding me of you. All of the sweet and sunny weather, now all of the days turn shades of blue, girl. I did you wrong too many times, acting like you
Music
weren't on
licensing
my mind.
reimagined.
You had fallen for me hard, love. Oh, how I wish I'd seen it then. I should have picked up all the signals. Looking back still drives me crazy. Knowing that you were by my side, knowing that I took you for granted. Now she's on to me, selling make-believe like it's currency.
Artlist.io.
Lock the door, sweep her off the floor, but I can't control you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Jealousy, jealousy.
Music licensing reimagined.
To stop making a fool of me. Of me. They tell me time can heal the wounded, but what if it cuts me way too deep? Can I the hurt with longer sleeps?
Bakit naman?
I've been searching for
Artlist.io.
your equal,
Saan?
someone who dresses just like you, laughs at a joke the way you do. Now she's on to me, selling make-believe like it's currency. I could lock the door, sweep her off the floor, but I can't control
Music
you.
licensing reimagined.
Jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you to stop making a fool of me.
Eh, ito sino naman to? Wait na. Ay, ako siya,
Artlist.io.
Tough times cause I'm never really sentimental. No vice in a vessel gonna make it better. Every moment I could've made a move, I should've crossed you over, left and maybe got you in my room, baby. Your eyes disappearing in the haze, your love going up inside the blaze. And
Music
now there is
licensing
only me to blame for
reimagined.
never speaking up the truth that I had always felt the same. Now she's chasing me, she's on every street in my memory. Lock her out and take the pictures down, but I can't control you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Jealousy, jealousy.
Artlist.io.
Oh, I'm begging you to stop making a fool of me. Of me.
Ito, sino
Music
naman to?
licensing.
Alin? Ayan yung ano, yan sila yung Marites.
Ah, Marites.
No, Marites yan
Pati,
sila. Oh.
ito naman.
Tinamaan na ba? Sabi gano'n. Ayan yun, sila yun.
Ito naman is dalawang yan.
Yung dalawang yan, mag-jowa yan sila. Nagde-date dito sa Rizal.
Ay, patay tayo
Dito sa
dyan.
Luneta.
Eh, yun.
Yung isa na yun, yung nagkakape yun, si Rizal.
Ah!
Nagkape muna siya bago siya magpabaril. Lapitan natin.
Ito, nanay niya.
May harang.
Oo nga.
No trespassing.
Ito, yung nahimatayan ba yung nanay, ano?
Oh. Yan yung ano eh. Yan yung sinusunod. Yung mga revolto na yan, James. Alam mo? Bakit? Yan, James, ha? Yung mga revolto na yan na nakikita mo ngayon dyan sa paligid mo.
Oo.
Ang unang-unang revolto niyan, nandoon sa Intramuros. Kasi, doon ikinulong si Paring Rizal.
Paring Rizal.
Oo, doon sa Intramuros.
Oo.
Ngayon, yung nakatakda na siyang bitayin,
Oo.
nag-alay lakad yan sila.
Mm-hmm.
Simula Intramuros hanggang dito sa Rizal Park.
Oo.
Ayun. Ayun, inano siya sa mga sundalo na yung mga sundalo habang nakapwesto dyan yan, babarilin si Rizal. Nakijoin sa kanila yung aso, natakot din.
Ayun nga yung aso.
Oh,
Ayun, ayun.
ayun, nakabagyo buntot.
Oo.
Kahit basahin mo sa libro mo, nandoon yung aso na yan, na bahagang buntot. Yan. Kasi natakot sila, alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi binaril si Rizal eh. Baka pati siya barilin din eh.
Isip. Ay, halika na. Sa ekonomiya. Ah? Flowers for you.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get